found out Freddy game from Hogwarts, Alan Jackson, and we were playing Finding Out Freddy on the same night. But we got to the fourth and we saw glitches.
So what are you doing? How you feeling?
I'm good.
Dude, you been eating good?
And I've been working on here
Huh?
and
Did we do anything for you? Did we bring you something? Some food?
oh, I said that guy.
Because I will.
Anything in that thing. There's Toy Chica. Bless you, Chica. Where is Chica?
Huh?
Stop stinking playing in a. She's playing in a
Oh.
stinking kitchen. Here's the kitchen. It's it's disabled. And that where Golden lives.
What do you mean? Oh man, you ain't kidding. There ain't no room. There ain't no room to move on them. Yeah. Not only was it hard to do, and then I poked a hole in the daggone thing. I'm telling you what, my left boob from I don't know, just the way I was crying or something. I don't know. I was sore.
Promise, what are you doing?
I'm not
I'm
kidding.
checking.
Kind of ridiculous, but. Yesterday he came by and got your truck. It was sitting in front of my house.
I think Chica's somewhere close to you. She's still playing in the kitchen.
Probably have
Oh,
it-
look, you only have 54%.
Probably have it for
53.
today, and then I'll go pick it up tomorrow. I might just do that.
Quit looking at my screen and look at yours. He wants to close the door. Chica's there.
You know, I was thinking about the place across the parking lot
Wait,
there.
put it on again so
Plastic place.
they can see.
That'd be a good place to let her try it out for the first time. Nice flat, black top.
That's Chica.
Yeah.
I like toy Chica. Try to get back onto a whole screen.
Yeah. She can ride her bicycle.
Move already. That's Chica.
Charlie?
With this bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, she does. That's what was in your garage.
Chica's there. One. Wait, where's Chica?
Huh?
Who's that? Foxy. I forgot to
She wrote it yet.
close the door.
When did you buy it?